not a stripper in a kids
I
party.
feel that Leclerc has no future other than never meet your heroes. Mom and dad watch this, so nothing sexual. It's like lovely Q2 stuff only. I want to be a man, but I don't really have a favorite man.
Yeah. Actually, ये बोल और
Formula 1.
funny बनेगा.
Yes, मैं वेट तो कर रही थी कि कब बनोगे तुम लोग.
Oh my god.
God, I feel like Karan Johar.
I genuinely feel like comment कर रहे हैं Alia Bhatt. Oh.
ये Leclerc fan है ना, थोड़ी लेट जली. Why are you hating on Lando?
लैंडो पसंद है.
मतलब I don't feel he's bad. But
I don't like his recent attitude and I think
I feel
like he's a
जल्दी चढ़ गया.
yeah, like he's very arrogant, definitely. But ठीक है, मतलब good driver.
True.
ये Max fan कौन है? Arrogance की बात इन लोगों से करो ना.
Sometimes it's allowed. I will also say that when you've had daddy issues your entire life, I think you're allowed to be arrogant.
Yeah, I think
it's
every Max fan justifies his behavior because his father left him at the petrol
But that's
station.
a big part of him, no?
but that's how bad it is that Norris makes Max look okay. I've started to like Max because Norris makes him look okay.
Yeah, it makes sense क्योंकि at least talent तो है ना Max के पास justify करने का बारे
But
में.
so does Norris. It's like it's
I
also
guess
the
the
car,
talent
right?
is okay. Let's not compare the
I would like to tell you guys कि McLaren is the fastest car जिसमें Lando has not been able to win.
हाँ, exactly.
I'm a Ferrari fan, guys. This is a conversation I will not indulge myself in. Please,
Ferrari fans are so annoying. Like
excuse me. Excuse me.
Okay,
You'll
so if
be
you
a
love
Hamilton fan ना
Ferrari,
next
would
year.
you still support? वो
आपने
आपने record
तुम्हें
करना
पूछ
शुरू
लो.
किया?
Yes, Adya. Welcome to Anmol Says Halo. So this is an RML F1 Girlies episode. They are a little more excited. What the hell? I've not forced you to come here and gunpoint. So today on the pod we have Adya, Yashasvi को हम यशी भी बोल सकते हैं.
नहीं.
Sana, Ananya,
Hello.
वेदांशी and your host. उस इंट्रोडक्शन से इस इंट्रोडक्शन तक 10 मिनट जा चुके हैं. If the following were not an F1 driver, what would they be? Lewis Hamilton.
Fashion model.
Yeah, I think
Definitely fashion.
model.
Or like some activist because he's already these things. He's already these things.
Yeah.
So you can
I
see
feel
him.
like he would. Yeah, I feel like he would also like he could probably own like a dog shelter. Also, he gives
Yeah.
that vibe. Yeah, I want to like pet.
He loves his dog so much.
Yeah, he gives that vibe.
He used to have
I would love to see him as a lifeguard. I would pay the
That would be
I watch you
interesting.
Oscar star karo.
That would be so fun.
You know?
I totally.
With his dog chilling on like a boat, just chilling, and then when someone's
Yeah.
yelling, he goes.
Hamilton with no like nothing. Just like red shorts.
फिर okay, Charles Leclerc.
Model like that because I don't think he's that smart.
I
to be.
think he would.
Why Vedanshi has roasted Charles Leclerc if you guys did not listen.
Poster फाड़ दो पीछे से अब तो.
She's-
He can't be a model. He's
not
I don't think he
He's
would.
not that pretty.
He's not.
No,
really
I
a
feel-
until proper generational wealth. पापा का property संभाल.
Papa ka, हाँ.
But
Papa
that
का
also
ही
my Leclerc would be a good chef. I feel
He
like
just
he
gives
gives
वो वाला vibe कि Monaco में
Science
मेरी
foods.
yacht है.
But that's like him in Denver.
Yeah.
मतलब
मतलब
उसकी yacht है ही. But you get what I'm saying, right? कि generational wealth, I have yachts and I just host parties.
I can see him as a real estate agent.
Chef, I think chef.
Oh wait, how about like an Italian painter?
But
I don't think he has the talent.
But he has to be Italian ना पहले.
असली वाले Leclerc की बात कर रहे हैं.
I think we're so divided that Leclerc has no future other than fun and
No, his future could be to be my husband, guys. Come on, please.
He can look after Vedanshi's generational wealth.
I wish. I wish.
want to.
हमें husband बनना है.
Okay, Carlos Sainz.
वो तो पापा का
Just one, bro. Just one.
Stripper, stripper, stripper.
No. He will do a respectable thing. Vedanshi, please.
That's my opinion.
No, actually, that's also respectable. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है.
Yeah, but are you putting down strippers? Are you saying that's a bad profession? Oh my God, Sarah.
Yeah, I think he should. I
Sana,
think so
Sana,
politically correct.
Sarah, we have
He
to
can go
ask
to
you.
Magic Mike. That is the coming to a business /
No, but
stripper.
I think that's just because you're saying that because he's pretty. I think he'll make a good chef.
I said chef.
चार के बाद कोई बावर्ची बन
Yeah, chef na Leclerc zyada. Science is the embodiment of trust fund.
Trust fund.
Yeah, like
अरे बट ये तो रियलिटी बता रहे हो ना, हाइपोथेटिकल बताओ.
hypothetically like a hotshot CEO of some really cool company.
He can't be a CEO. You have to be like business minded for that. Science does not give me business by that all.
जैसे पापा का होटल है,
हाँ.
होटल मैनेज कर रहा है.
And like he walks in and like,
I don't know why I see him as like
head of the table.
I don't know if he's good with horses, but he looks like the kind of guy who would be an equestrian.
जॉर्ज ज्यादा लगता है.
George, I would also
I would
pick
give that to George actually.
And Gasly also. Long neck, long body.
relax.
George is a businessman. I feel like he has the.
Businessman is a very generic answer. What are you guys saying?
Acha, ask na next. We'll try better.
I gave the best.
Yes,
not the
I
best.
agree with
Well,
that.
my husband.
We're trying to be politically correct.
इसीलिए
So what? Do you think
It's a respectable profession.
that can also be
I'm just saying that.
Obviously saying that. So please.
okay, Max Verstappen.
Teachers.
Our professor. I think he would be like a government employee who's really pissed at everyone. Who's frustrated with his own life that he takes it out of the. on
That's a
everyone.
characteristic, not a job, Vedanshi.
Bank no, I'm extending towards Sana.
That-
Employee vibe.
Fitness and firm में वो evil वाला कौन था? Doofin what?
Doofenshmirtz.
Doofenshmirtz.
नहीं तो बोल रही थी मैं.
Evil.
Evil.
I
I think so.
But I think that Fernando Alonso can be.
नहीं नहीं.
नहीं.
Max Doofenshmirtz हार भी जाता था ना end में.
Bank
Bank
employee.
manager.
Bank manager.
Bank
Sure,
manager.
teacher. He could be like a really like Pankara maths teacher.
I think he would be really fun as a maths teacher.
Yeah.
Not like in a negative, angry way. I think he would be like a happy.
Happy. I'm a happy boy.
Bad answer,
Happy,
guys.
happy boy.
George
What do
Russell.
you think Verstappen could be? Tell me.
You tell us.
Tell.
You tell.
Petrol pump पे something.
Bad answer.
वो थोड़ा extreme है.
1000 zero देख रहे हैं.
भैया मैडम जीरो देखेगा जरा.
क्यों खुद
ये
ही
500 का डाल दो ना.
तो जॉर्ज रसल को तो तुम लोगों ने इक्वेस्ट्रियन बना ही दिया है.
Yeah.
ठीक
Or he
है.
could just be royalty, you know. He could
No,
just
he
be
can
the
also-
prince.
A
The prince.
polo player.
He a polo player.
Polo player.
He is a polo player.
Daniel Ricciardo, though he's not an F1 driver anymore, guys. So he
His job
already
is that
probably.
he is cute. He is certified cutie. That's it.
I
No
think
other.
he would be वो जो party में वो बन के आते हैं ना.
Stripper.
Kids party. No, not stripper. Like kids party. Kids party.
वो जो
Kids
balloon
party
वाले
balloon वाला.
clowns.
Yeah, he would be.
Sana, you want a stripper in a kids
I
party?
said balloon वाला. I feel Daniel Ricciardo could be like a good stand-up comedian. Teddy bear.
Stand-up comedian.
I feel like Ricardo could have like his own like ice cream का tuck shop and वो चला रहा है फिर ice cream बेच रहा है कॉलेज में डंग डंग बजा रहा है. I feel like he would be cool like that. Ricardo gives that happy
like a
vibe.
good
gives me
stand-up
vibes
comedian
that-
also. Like a good stand-up comedian also.
She can she get to be Mrs. Leclerc ना फिर.
and imagine
That is something.
Sana was being so politically correct पिछले वाले में कि he will do a respectable job. Now she's wanted like she's invited a stripper into a kids party.
I never said that. I
Bad Sana.
बच्चे की पार्टी में जो बलून बनाते हैं वो वाले.
Strippers also do those kind of things, you know.
How would Sana know?
Like ma'am seems
Like
cool.
party में ice cream ले रहा है.
Lance Stroll.
Useless.
Damn bro, that was harsh.
I think he would be a temp somewhere.
हाँ. Ryan vibes.
He gives very Ryan vibe.
फिर उनकी केली भी कोई होंगी उनका बुद्धि सही करने के लिए.
हाँ तो है ना उसकी केली जो उसकी एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड थी. उसने अपने अकाउंट से सारी फोटोज आज उनके
नहीं।
बर्थडे के दिन हटाई हैं.
वो गर्लफ्रेंड है जो अब एक्स हो गई.
Stroll gives me Gardner vibes.
You know Lance doesn't seem like he could do anything. Just,
I don't know.
वही मैं बोल रही हूँ useless. I don't think.
किसी का ऐसा गेस करने के लिए आपको पर्सनालिटी थोड़ी सी
वही।
देखनी
Exactly. There has to be
वही।
some sort of your personality can't be कि dad owns everything.
That's why like the first thing.
Franco Colapinto.
My husband. Now I'll say best.
मैं जानती नहीं उसको.
He's
इतना
दिखाऊंगी depend देखेंगे.
He could be a good mechanic. You know that the hot ones.
Colapinto could be a good
ये
lawyer.
ना इसके लक्षण ही लग रहे हैं. ये
I
बहुत
feel like he could be a
सारे
good lawyer.
वेदांशी ने सारे
अरे
ऐसे
अच्छी ना,
आंसर
अच्छी
दिए.
अच्छी चीजें नहीं बोल रही. अरे ये सबको बहुत नहीं मैं एक्चुअली एनर्जी फील करके बता रही हूँ.
कोला पिंटो के ठीक ही है.
Lawyer. I think he has a good vibe.
Toto Wolff do. If
Oh my
not F1.
वो तो मॉडल. He's like
Just be my daddy. Too simplistic.
क्या नाम था उसका? Daddy.
Toto Wolff.
Toto भाई.
Toto
Toto.
Certified.
Yeah.
I already said it. We said it only when Jum हो गए.
Toto तो is
Toto is like, Toto's the hottest person on the grid.
Yeah.
bro. Let's go. Literally there.
He would be a good CEO, like a proper rich
Yeah.
CEO,
He would be
man
very
getting to
good.
work, CEO.
I agree.
Toto will give Christian Grey vibes, na?
Christian.
Very Christian.
Toto is very, very good.
That's why I said no, just be like that. That's like it works.
यार वो
He's
बहुत
gone to Harvard Business School and stuff also. He keeps going there.
But then
He's a
Toto could be a good
billionaire.
lawyer. He's going to be such a good lawyer that he's going to be defending evil
Chalo,
people.
this should be your this thing. Toto #lawyer.
Yeah.
So with that, guys, we come to an end of our very, very chaotic episode.